Assalamu alaikum everyone, the troublemaker in the room. We talked about this one for quite a while, long time ago, and it seems like we did it. We finally made the move down. So we've already like broken to the downside here, but it seems like you haven't back tested the 25,580. So there could be chances of going back up to back test that line there and get rejected from here and then finally drop down to 20,000. So trading, people said trading doesn't work. They're gonna shoot a message and it's gonna start pumping. All of that wishful thinking that I used to do a long time ago, I'm not even surprised, because people just are new and they think that they've been investing for like 3 months and they think like they're the OGs and they want to ignore people who have been here for years now. Personally, I've been here for years and I've looked at people come and go with wishful thinking. Everyone has I had wishful thinking as well, and that's one thing that is going to beat you straight down the ground. And when you talk about all that psychological stuff and you tell people to like, hey, you bought a car, be a mechanic, you're into trading, take the trading course, learn from someone who knows, who have been failing into the market and learned how not to fail in the market. People don't want to do that, they just want to go up, click on a video, open up a video and try to look at the video and take it as financial advice, and this is all just chart reading and whatnot. Okay, so no solid strategy, no solid setup. Now some people are actually quite clever and I actually appreciate that one, but at the moment we are looking for Lunar Classic to go down. I gave you 6 or 7 days ago, I told you in 10 days we are gonna have the move to the downside, and that was it's playing out right on the T, right on the head, 110% with perfection. All right, this scenario I gave you, make a fake out and then go down, that perfectly played out, and we're still looking for 20,000 now. I had a lot of troll. I had a lot of people because they follow their own emotions. When we saw this pump to the upside, like when we dropped down to 26,000 and then we went up quickly to 30,000, and I told them that, hey, it's just a retest of the neckline. You're not breaking the inverse head and shoulder, and we're still looking to come down to 22,000. People didn't believe it. Right now, if I told you that 22,000 is going to come in, everyone is ready to believe it. Everyone is ready to believe it. And when we come down here, everyone is going to be ready to believe we're going to 20,000, right? And when we go down, everyone is going to start to believe that, hey, this box finally, Atom Coins told us, and it's going to actually make sense. Is there guarantees? No, we go step by step. Now, you see, there's something to learn from all of this thing. You see, this pattern that you see, 1, 2, 3, which is a head and shoulder, takes you down to 22,000, okay? What you can learn from here is take the small example for the bigger example, because you see, this took some few days to form. This took some even way more extended days to form, okay? And that actually takes you down to 11,500. So if this head and shoulder technical target after some few days is getting met or about to get met, I told you about this bigger one and how much it could take a month or 1 month and a half, and you can see that it is actually doing that time, particular time limit. Now, how do you go there? You don't know. As long as you're not above this neckline, you're not above this particular neckline, you're looking to come down to that technical target. Okay, it doesn't matter if you pump like this in the future, you go sideways, you go down there. I don't know. This is a big zone. For this head and shoulder, this is a no trading zone. Okay, so this is how everything goes step by step. But at the moment, we're looking for that 20,000 move to the downside, and then probably you might be convinced once again to take this trading course. And I always say the only way for you guys to pay, be aware from scammers, be aware from people who try to be like, they try to act like me. The only place I am for discounts is Twitter. Okay, so always go to Twitter. This is the username. Click on that username. This is the amount of followers we have. Everyone is enjoying what they're learning at the moment. So is there anything that we can talk about? Let's actually bring in the EMAs right there, and you can see that the EMAs is actually being very, very strict over here on the 4-hour time frame. We talked about the daily yesterday, and let me dive into the daily again, and you can see how the daily is looking. Now this is for the first time, ever since Wednesday, 24 August, right? Like 2 months ago. It seems like you haven't made a bear cross, and this is for the first time you are about to make a bear cross. Do you see that? So this was a bull cross, made that bull cross, pushed to the upside, came down here. You're trying to make the bear cross. Last time you came below the 55, you back tested it and paused, and you went above the 55, the blue line, which right over there. Okay, you paused it and you went to the upside. Now you are looking to make the bear cross. It's only a matter of time that you make the 55, the 10 and the 20, and that actually tells you the dump just started, because you are just making this is the start of a bear cross. We are far from over if this is going to be a bear cross. If anyone knows anything about EMAs, it's a simple EMA trading stuff, and it's not a rocket science. Everyone should know about the bear cross. It's just like how you talk about the MACDs crossing and then going down. Okay, so we are getting started to drop even further down. So it's not like we are near the bottom just yet. Okay, we haven't even made the bear cross and we're already down from all-time high. We're nearly down like 50% down at the moment. And you're about to make a bear cross. You haven't. It's not like you made a bear cross here and then you went down. No, you started the bear cross. So that means that there are big chances of actually dropping down here. And this is on the daily. And actually, when you make this one on the daily, it's going to take few days to drop down there. Like go down, go up, go down, go up, go down, and then by end of the month or maybe by the middle of the next month, you take that, you reach that technical target, and then from here. I don't know what's going to happen, but whatever happens, I'm buying down there for the longer run. I'm just going to buy a little bit of something I can afford to lose. And that's pretty much it for this Luna Classic update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.